Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do another Ipsy unboxing. If you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, this is how it comes. So you just open the box, and the first thing that I'm going to go ahead, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and grab is this Murad. It's Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. Ooh, and my skin has been really dry lately, I guess because obviously we're getting into the colder weather. So I'm gonna go back into the bag and I'm gonna grab this. This is the Punk Volumizer Mascara. Ooh, I really like the wand on that. I like big, thick, like the wands, because I feel like they just grab my lashes. And I'm gonna go back into the box and grab Ciate London Dewy Stick. Oh, it's a highlighting balm. It just comes, ooh, the packaging is really pretty on this. I don't know if you can see that. Now I'm gonna go back into the box and I'm gonna grab Alas. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. It's a, it just says Hydro Veil. I've heard of like a Hydro Veil primer. So maybe it's a primer? I would probably use this as a primer because I feel like they wouldn't give you two lotions, surely. Right, but ooh, it comes with like this little spoon, like this little spatula thing. Well, that is cool. So now the last thing that's in here is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. Oh, that's cool. It's by Gigi Gorgeous. Can't get it open. Okay. Ooh, this packaging feels good. It's like matte. That is what it looks like. It's just a little bronzer. I hope, bronzers are really hard for me because I'm so fair that it's kind of hard to get a good bronzer. But I'm excited to try that because I just use the same old bronzers all the time. So that is pretty cool. So I feel like I liked my bag. Ooh, and speaking of bag, this is actually one that I would use 100%. I love this print. This is like my favorite print, like leopard, cheetah, whatever it is. Anyway, it's just this very cute, it's got a little tassel on it. It's like this really cute leopard bag, and it just feels really good. And this is actually one that I would use. I feel like sometimes Ipsy bags are like hit or miss. Like the actual bags are hit or miss because I feel like people are like, I don't really need a makeup bag, but I feel like this one I would actually use. I kind of wish it had like a little chain and you could wear it as a little purse because that would be very cute. But enough jibber jabbering. If you're done watching this and you don't want to watch me use the products, then I hope that you guys have a blessed day, and thank you guys so much for watching. And please subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and leave a like for me. That really helps me, so thank you. And for the rest of you guys who actually want to see me use the products, then you guys can just keep on watching. So obviously I didn't get every product to do my full face of makeup, so I am going to substitute the products with my own that I already have. But first, I'm going to go in with this Murad Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. Really excited about this. Ooh. That feels really nice. Like, some of the lotions that I have, the problems I have with them are like that they do hydrate, but the only thing is it's just so thick, and I do not like thick moisturizer because I feel like it's just all over my face and just makes me feel like my face is heavy. I don't know. I don't like that feeling of like a really thick moisturizer. This one is really lightweight. Now, I did find out that this is a primer, so I'm going to go in with this primer. This is a hydrating primer, and I do have oily skin, so I'm kind of excited to see like if this is still okay for my oily skin, but gives me some hydration since it's being winter. Since it's going into winter, I want to see if I like it. So I actually don't know how to open this thing. Like, it's whooping my butt. Oh, there we go. That is very weird. Guys, ew, that's weird. It's like a gel. That's kind of weird. I've never used anything like this. Well, no wonder they give you a darn spatula. I'm going to take this and like rub it into my hand. Ooh. I just changed my mind really fast. I really like that. It just feels like my skin took a drink of water. That felt really good. So I'm actually very excited to use that. That was weird. Now the only things that I like have left to test out is this mascara, this bronzer, and this highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute and use like the rest of my products. So this part will probably be sped through because okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna try out the bronzer first. Again, this is the GG Gorgeous in the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. I think I'm actually just gonna go for this side because I feel like that side's too warm. Or maybe I'll mix them. Yeah, I'll mix them. I'm gonna definitely knock it off and that's actually a really pretty shade. Yeah, that's really pretty. And now I'm just gonna take this and just kind of go around my face as a little elf kabuki. And I just like to go over anything that I do like put on my face. So now I'm gonna go in with this dewy stick. We'll see how this works. I might have to go in with like another highlighter, but I don't know. We'll see how this looks. So I'm just going to, ooh. Okay, just kidding. And I'm just gonna take this and just go over that just to press it into the skin. That's very beautiful and it smells like really good. So the last thing that I have to try is this mascara. It's by Dose. It's just really, I like the packaging. It's pretty sleek. I really like it. And I'm gonna just coat my upper lashes with this. Okay, First of all, definitely be careful because I actually stabbed myself in the eye. But look at my lashes. That's really pretty. I feel like this is one that I would probably go in with another mascara, which I do pretty regularly. I go in with like 2 to 3 mascaras just to get my lashes the way I like them and like thick and lifted. I think this will be my new one for like length because it actually gives me really good length. So this is how my lashes are looking. I think that they look really good, actually. But like I said, I would probably go in with a different mascara for like the thickness because this doesn't give you like the thickness. Like I would go in with this Lash Sensational. This is actually like my favorite mascara and it's from the drugstore. It's by Maybelline. This is my favorite mascara. If you guys have not tried this mascara, go try it. And it is a wet mascara. So if you don't like wet mascaras, you probably won't like this, but it does dry. You just have to give it time to actually dry. So like what I'll do is I'm going to go over this and now that's how my lashes look. So that just like brought my lashes together more than that other mascara did. So this is definitely good. It's just very big. Like the applicator is really huge. And so it's definitely not going to be like a bottom lash mascara that you can use. But I think that honestly this is going to be my new combo. Like I really like it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see the mascara I just got in my hair? So that is how everything looks. I think that it looks really pretty. Oh, I'm actually going to go find a lip color and I'll be right back. So I'm actually going to go in with this Kylie matte lipstick in Dulce K. So that is how everything looks. I actually really love this lip color. It's like a brown. I really like it. But anyway, guys, this is the all together look. You guys please tell me down below what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like this video. I love doing these videos. This is actually one of my favorite videos that I film. So just let me know if you guys want me to keep doing it because I definitely will. If you guys want me to do a Thanksgiving makeup look, like a makeup look that would be good to wear for Thanksgiving, and if you guys want to see like an affordable one, I can definitely do like affordable products type one. So just let me know what you guys think and what you guys would like to see. I just thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just rambling, but I do appreciate you guys watching and making it to the end of this video. So I thank you guys so much and hope that you have a blessed day. Bye, y'all.